What if I told you the best thing you can do for your mind today is absolutely nothing online? No scrolling, no notifications, no noise, just you and the world that exists beyond your screen. We live in a time where being online feels like being alive, but somewhere between endless scrolling and constant updates, we forget what it truly means to feel life. And maybe, just maybe, it's actually cool to be offline. Step outside for a moment, not with your phone in your hand, but with your mind wide open. Look at the trees, they don't rush, yet they grow every single day. Listen to the birds, they don't perform, yet their song is enough. Feel the breeze, it does not ask for attention, yet it calms everything inside you. When you sit in nature, something changes. Your thoughts slow down, your breathing becomes deeper, and your mind finally gets a break. No comparison, no pressure, no digital noise telling you who to be. Just silence, and in that silence, you start hearing yourself again. Being offline is not about escaping the world, it's about reconnecting with it. Studies show that spending time in nature reduces stress, improves mood, and even helps with anxiety. But beyond science, there's something more powerful, a sense of peace that no app can give you. When you unplug, you give your mind the space to heal. You stop reacting and start reflecting. You stop consuming and start living. So today, take a break. Put your phone aside. Go outside. Sit with nature, because the truth is you don't need to be constantly connected to feel complete. Sometimes the best version of you exists when you are offline. And trust me, it's actually cool to be offline. I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Keep dreaming, be kind, love yourself until I meet you again in the next one. Till then, bye bye and take care.
Your feet, 'cause you're standing next to me.